Graupner Rookie is a nice airplane for beginners. I made some movies with this airplane maybe 2 years ago, but now I want to make a new movie, more complex movie. First generation of Graupner Rookie was without ailerons and without a preparation for ailerons. It was just 3-channel airplane, rudder, elevator and motor. But now, in next generation of Graupner Rookie, something like Easy Star by Graupner, Germany company. So now is Rookie with preparation for ailerons. You just cut some small part on wing, you put inside a servo, wires, and that's all. Preparation for cables is not such smart like on Easy Start. It's much easier here, but it works too. Just inside the whole fuselage is a small hole, and you must turn wires during this hole to your receiver. I will try this airplane now with many different batteries, because what is really nice on a Graupner Rookie is big size of center of gravity. In a box with Graupner Rookie are two propellers, bigger propellers and smaller propellers. Bigger propellers is for 2-cell, 2S setup battery, and smaller propeller is for 3-cell battery, LiPo battery of course, about 2000 milliamp hours. But with this original battery you must glue inside the fuselage big additional weight, and I hate this. I hate additional weight in airplane which don't work, nothing usable. I make a bigger space in front part of fuselage, I will show you later, and I fly it without additional weight, and I fly it with many different batteries. Main battery for beginner is, I will show you, is 2-cell 3008 amp hour. It's 2-cell for flying with bigger propeller. With this bigger propeller and with this battery without additional weight, it's it's not any madness, hell flying and climbing. Yes, it's flying. Yes, okay, for beginners it's enough. And if beginner will be in shock with wooden hands, and if beginner will hit ground with full throttle, because full throttle is not many power, probably airplane will be without any big damages. You know, so with this 2-cell and bigger propeller, it will fly slowly, just perfect for beginner. Or you can, or I can put inside 3-cell 2.6 amp hours, same size like this 2-cell, same weight. What is important? So if I will put inside this 3-cell 2.6 with smaller propeller, center of gravity will be on same place like with this 2-cell. With this 3-cell and smaller propeller it will be a little bit faster, but again it never will be any fast airplane, any fighter. Yeah, it will be same airplane for beginners, but a little bit faster. But if I want to make a little bit faster airplane, I will use this battery, free cell 2200 milliamp hours. With this battery and especially with bigger propeller. Yes, bigger propeller is for 2 cell, but I know works with throttle. I will not fly all time on full throttle. If you can work with throttle, you can fly bigger propeller on free cell, and this free cell is lighter. Center of gravity will move a little bit back. Actually, center of gravity will be on a position marked on wing with this battery, and with this will be quicker, lighter, and it will be more capable for some maneuvers like roll, etc. Or I can use next lighter battery, more light battery, 1800. So with this battery it will be lighter and more capable for flying like with glider. But center of gravity will be again a little bit a small step on back side, and you must be probably a little bit skilled pilot for flying with this light battery and light nose of airplane. We will go fly with all these batteries. We will try fly with all these batteries, and I hope outside is really hot condition, and I hope it will be without any fire in my head. So here is a bigger hole, bigger space for batteries, and here are servos, speed regulator, receiver will be here, and here is a small hole with cable or wires from ailerons servos. And what is big advantage? Elevator is removable, easy. So on this night valley we will record movies with floater jet. It's a little bit windy condition. My camera girl Johanka. One thing, like all my EPP airplane, almost all, Rookie 2 is with fiberglass on the bottom side of fuselage. So it's protected during hard grass, small stones, etc. During landing. So 2 cell, 2S, 3.8 and bigger proper. 2 cell. Heavy 2 cell.
Pozor na prsty, plnění na nule. Pozor, přepínače nejsou ve výchozí poloze. Střed plynu.
So it was Tucel. I think you saw that. I think it was really enough for basic beginner flying. Only 2 cell power with heavy battery. So now same weight, but 3 cell 2.6, and I will change the propeller for smaller propeller. Free cell 2.2 amp hours, and the bigger propeller for 2S setup, but 3S battery. It works, but you must work with throttle. Yes, if you will fly in full time with full throttle, probably you will destroy a speed regulator. Just you must fly normal throttle work. Now free cell 1.8 amp hour and bigger propeller for 2S setup. So again you must work with throttle. You can see how airplane jumps in the air. It's not my work, it is work of hot air. Yeah. It's really big fun flying with this agile air, but for beginners it's much better flying without this jumping. With heavy batteries, 3 cell and 2 cell, airplane flying more without jumping, and it's better for beginners. But with lighter battery, it's much funny. But you must be a little bit better pilot than beginner. With free cell 1.8, its center of gravity about 5 millimeters behind back mark on the lower side of wing. So